Hey guys, what's up? It's Kahoob here. So today I'm going to be telling you my passive income strategy in crypto in general, but the main things that I use are Crypto.com and Swipe, as I get most my passive income from these two companies. So Crypto.com, I have 100,000 CRO staked for the icy white. I paid 18,000 US dollars at 18 cents for it, and my spending is $25,200 yearly, and I get 5% cash back with the icy white, which is $1,260. And if we go over here really quick, we can obviously see it costs $40,000 now. And so we can go down here with the reimbursements, Spotify, Netflix, Prime. I get all of these 100% back reimbursed. This is $348 yearly just for these three. Like, that's a lot of money you spend per year on just Spotify, Netflix, and Prime. And I get that back, so that's awesome. Expedia, I did $0 because I don't plan on using Expedia. I'd rather use Travela because I can get more cash back with that with Swipe. So Airport Lounge, I get $35. Now the Airport Lounge, it doesn't really reimburse you in anything. All it does is they need to charge your card, and then this will be taken out of your account, and then Crypto.com will give it back to your account later in the month or the next month. One of the main factors though for the icy white that's really cool is the 12% interest. We can see that pays me out 11,040 CRO, which currently is worth around $2,377. I also have Crypto Earn, which if we go over here, we can see if we have 500,000 or more CRO staked, which by the way, this actually just means icy white or above. This just means jade green, royal indigo or above. And this is just like ruby red or less. This is mine. And I have $500 currently in USD coin, so I'm getting $70 a year in USD coin with 14% per annual. And by the way, it's actually 12% in USDC and then 2% in CRO. I do plan on staking a lot more USD coin because this is basically, the US dollar. And that's really good interest. It's way better than what the bank pays. I know it's not FDIC insured, but I plan on having a lot more than just $500 basically in it. I'm waiting for the fees to reduce. I'm getting like $4,000 yearly from the icy white, a little over that actually, almost 4,100. Okay, now on to Swipe. Swipe, I also got a really good deal with the debit card I got. I got the Steel debit card and it costed me 3,000 SXP. I paid 3,600 US dollars for it at $1.20. SXP is currently at 339, so I am up in that investment, and same with my CRO, I'm up in that investment as well. So not only am I making this much money yearly, I'm also up in my initial investment as well. So for Swipe, the reimbursements I get are Spotify, Netflix, Prime, Apple Music, which is $521 for the year. Uber, I'd probably pay around $22 in the year for Uber if I go on vacation, as I only get 10% back. I'd probably spend less than like $220 for Uber, so that's the $22. And Travela, this is where you are maxed out at $100. If we go over to Swipe and scroll down, we can see for Travela, $100. This is the rebates per month are capped at up to. So Travela, $100 per month. I usually just go on vacation like once a year or less. So since that's the case, I'd probably only get reimbursed $100 for Travela. So with Swipe, it's $643 yearly. As we can see, my icy white pays way better than the Steel debit card, but I also have more money invested into the icy white. Not only that, but they give me 12% interest. The Swipe gives me no interest, so that kind of has a lot to do with it, considering the 12% interest is worth 2,000 of it and it's 4,000. My 12% interest is basically half of what my perks are. And if we scroll down a bit, we can see that overall in total, just from Swipe and Crypto.com, currently I'm getting $4,733 back a year, and my total investment amount is $21,600, and it's currently worth $32,307. So I am up $10,707. Not only that, but I'm also getting these perks. So this $4,090 and the $643 is not being taken into account with how much I'm up or what this current worth is or anything like that. The total invested in current worth is just simply off of the 3,000 SXP and the 100,000 CRO. So one thing I want to improve on is basically just add more USD coin to my Crypto.com earn terms, just because let's look at $5,000. If I were to deposit that, I'd get $700 in the year in USD coin. Well, it'd be a bit less because it's actually 12%, but it's $700 worth of crypto in USD coin and some in CRO as well. But that's so much money. And $70 to 700 is such a big jump, and $500 to 5,000 in USD coin isn't really too much of a difference. And you can actually look at, let's say I were to sell all my SXP, that is 10,170. So if we go into crypto earn, 10,170, and yeah, that's $1,424 in the year if I were to have that in USD coin, just $10,000. And so honestly, that actually pays out better than the SXP card. As we can see, this is $643 yearly that I'm invested in this one, and crypto earn pays $1,424. Let's see how much of a jump that is. $1,424. That's a $781 difference throughout the year. So would I rather get $643 yearly off of these reimbursements and perks, or would I rather get, where is it, $1,424 yearly? So that's a big jump, a big difference. Now there is one thing though that is a big difference between depositing it into USD coin compared to keeping it in SXP, is the opportunity cost, right? So even though I'm getting $643 yearly, the one thing we can think about is I have 3,000 SXP. So, you know, how high do you think the SXP token will go? So if we say it's going to go to like $7 by the end of the year, that's $21,000. So that obviously would be a better investment to keep it in SXP compared to moving it over to USD coin when it's at 10,000, because let's see how much money I would lose out on if I put it into USD coin at this current price of SXP. So that's $10,830 I'd miss out on throughout the year. So basically, you just kind of have to determine risk versus reward. Let me know if you personally have a passive income strategy with crypto yet, or if you plan on developing one, or if you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, please give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you guys later in my next video.